special to me. And I couldn't ask for a better producer, a cast na mabuo itong kwentong pong to. I pitched this story 2 years ago. Even kay Barbie, like 2 years ago. Tapos, it took a while no, before nag-fly talaga. But we're here now and I'm very excited and nervous at the same time. Kasi stories like these or comedies like this, parang it deserves to be in the cinemas, to be watched in the big screen, no? So tulungan niyo po kami na ipagkalat po itong magandang balita po. I promise that you will laugh, you will cry, but at the end of the movie, there's a message na may sinasabi po, and I hope that makuha niyo po yung mensahe na gusto po namin iparating. Maraming salamat po, and let's enjoy po today.